from CWC Technologies, bringing you an exciting video. This one is on the Razer Phone 2. We're going to play some PUBG and see how it looks, runs, and performs on this system. So the first thing we want to do is go in here to our game booster. We want to make sure everything is turned all the way up. Now you can change specific settings for either all of them or individual games, so custom power save and performance. So in this case, we're going to go down here to PUBG Mobile. You can see I've got it turned all the way to the highest performance. My CPU is turned up to the maximum, which is 2.8 gigahertz. My frame rate is set at 120 frames per second, and I'm going to turn on my anti-aliasing. So let me go ahead and back out of this, and let's go ahead and launch the game. So now what we're going to do is go in here into the settings, make sure our graphics are turned all the way up. You can see that Ultra HD is still not available, but we can choose HDR and Ultra. Go ahead and turn these on. And let's back out and let's begin. You can see how it runs nice and smooth. No dropped frames. Amazing front firing dual speakers. Now, I'm not an expert PUBG Mobile player, but I'll do the best that I can just so you guys can at least see the game. Where's this guy got us going? Nowhere. Make sure you guys click that thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Also stay tuned for my full review on this Razer Phone 2. I also have the new Razer 15 and Stealth laptop to check out. Feel the anticipation now. Well, that's going to do it for my video today. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to click that thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. Stay tuned for more Razer Phone 2 and Razer Blade review videos coming up. I have a lot more. Also have some new camera gear, other phones that we want to talk about. So stick around to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.